Hello friend, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Reze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm a procurement agent, importer and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you and walk you through step by step on how you can actually create an account with Temu, what Temu really means, and what are the things you can do on Temu. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation content, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create an account with Temu and get your first $100 coupon for every new user that register on Temu. So let's begin. So I'll head over to my browser right here. Then I will type in the URL temu.com. So you can see the URL right here. Alright, so this is the site right here. So you can see there are a lot of things you need to know about this particular site, which I'm going to make more video in my future tutorial about Temu. But in today's video, you are going to learn how to create an account. But before that, what is the real meaning of this Temu? So we need to understand some things right here. So the simple meaning of Temu simply means that team up to price down. This simply means that it allows the goals of the company is to reduce the cost for its user by leveraging economies of scale. So it means that you can get a product at a very cheaper rate on this particular site. And one very good thing about this site is that you can also get this particular site app on your Android phone or your iPhone, which simply means that if you don't have a PC, you can still make use of this particular site for your shopping. Now, what are the things you can get on Temu? There are a lot of things you can get on Temu, such as electronics, gadgets, clothes, fashion items, telephones, etc. There are a lot of things you can get on Temu. And one thing about this particular site is that this site is an affiliate site to Pinduoduo in China. But whatever products you purchase on this site, it is for global standard. This simply means that you can use the products in any part of the world, most especially if you purchase phones or you purchase electronics gadgets like radio, TV set, and etc. They are very good to be used in any globalization country. They are very good to be used when you are not a Chinese or you are not in China. So that is some of the good things about this particular site. So let's take a look at some of the interface on this particular site. So like I said, at the top right here, this is where you can get the app on Android phone or on iPhone, and there is what we call return policy and price adjustment. Return policy is done in 90 days, and there is also some of free shipping. There are a lot of things you're going to benefit when you purchase on this particular site or using their app. So you can scroll down and you see a lot of products display on their home screen like this. Now you want to claim your coupon. This is a $100 coupon for every new register. Let's quickly create an account and see how we go. And for you to create an account, which is the first thing you need to do, you have to come to the top right here, click on accounts, others and accounts. Then it's going to take you right here. There are different methods by which you can use to sign up an account with Temu. You can either use your Google, you use your Facebook or Apple or Twitter to create a free account on this particular site, or better still, you can come here and enter your email address or your phone number to create an account. But if you are not a US citizen, it is advisable to create an account with your email address, because if you create an account with your phone number, they will ask you to enter a verification code. So in this regard, I'm going to enter my email address to create my free account with Temu. So once you enter your email address, just click on continue. Then at this point here, you'll be asked to enter your login password. So I'm going to enter my password straight up. Once you enter your password, you have to click on register button right here. So after you click on the register, then it will take you back to the home page. Then you can come to the top right here, click on orders and accounts, and it takes you to your profile details. Okay, all right, so it's going to take you to your profile detail right here, and you can see right here you don't have any order, and right here this is processing section, shipped, delivered, return. These are just the stages as far as your order is concerned. So if you place an order, it will move to processing, then from processing to ship, then from ship to delivery. If you have any return, this is where you track your return, and the final stage here is where you give a review. Then the profile section, this is where you can edit your profile name, and you can give your profile a nickname. And under the coupon and offer right here, this is where you claim your first $100 coupon code that you can use to shop for free on the app. And right here, this is your credit balance. When you top up your account on the site or on the app, your balance is going to be right here, and then the number of shops you follow is going to be here, your browse history, and then your shipping address. This is where you have your shipping address, and at this section right here, this is your region and country, your payment method. Maybe you want to be paying with bank card or PayPal, things like that. Then account security and notification. So this is all you have to do right here. And you want to track your order, you can type in your tracking number right here. It bring out your order that is on transit. So this is what I have for you as far as Temu basic and account registration is concerned. In my next tutorial, I'm going to make a comprehensive tutorial about how you can navigate on the site, how you place order, how you get your product delivered to whatever country of your choice. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.